Hello Dnation and welcome back to yet another unbox and review episode. In today's episode we're going to be unboxing a 114 scale pullback diecast bike with sound and lights manufactured by Classical Moto. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. To begin with, the packaging is a standard window type boxing with all the product branding and information. So let's go ahead and take a look at this box before we crack this thing open. With that out of the way, and as we get this unboxed, please be careful while using sharp objects and keep in mind to keep these diecast motorcycles away from children below the age of 5 as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get this opened. Well, at first glance this diecast model looks quite premium and has a good build quality to it and is a cruiser type style like a Harley Davidson. And this diecast model has quite a bit of details to it and manufactured mostly of diecast and a few components with ABS plastic, which makes it premium looking. And this model measures in at 5 inches in length, 4 inches in height, 3 inches in width, and weighs in at about 180 grams. And I should admit that I love the flame paint job on this one, and the branding details are spot on as well. And this model also has a pullback mechanism which makes it functional too. And what's more fun is that this model comes with lights and sounds as well, which excites me. So let's go ahead and take a look at this awesome diecast motorcycle model. And with this pullback model, you're guaranteed a replica which is built to last and will warm the hearts of any diecast motorcycle collector or hobbyist. And I also recommend this for children as it is sturdy built. And I also want to let you know that you can add this model to your 118 scale motorcycle collection, as there is just a small size difference and can be matched up without sticking out. And now let's take a look at this beauty in a 360-degree view. This model is available in 3 variations, which is red, black and orange, and on order a random color will be sent to you. And as you can see, I've received the black variation with flames, which looks awesome. Now as we take a look at this chunky diecast beauty, here are a few fun facts. A pullback motor is a simple clockwork motor used in toy cars and bikes. A patent for them was granted to Bertrand Fred Francis in 1952 as a keyless clockwork motor. Pulling the toy backwards winds up an internal spiral spring, a flat spiral rather than a helical coiled spring. When released, the toy is propelled forward by the spring. When the spring is unwound and the toy is moving, the motor is disengaged by a clutch or a ratchet, and the toy then rolls freely onwards. Often the clutch mechanism is geared so that the pullback distance needed to wind the spiral is less than the distance the spring is engaged propelling forward. And for further information on this, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this 1/14 scale diecast motorcycle, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested, and please do let me know in the comments below as to what are your thoughts on this premium diecast motorcycle. And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this topic, please do drop a comment below, and stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes coming up. And as we are approaching our 500 subscriber mark, I would like to thank all my Dnation subscribers and followers for your constant support and feedback. And kindly do continue to support Dnation by liking and sharing our content. And stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes coming up. Well, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next one.